Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep JK tail lights. First, gather your tools, including a T15 Torx bit and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have your new tail light assemblies or replacement bulbs on hand. It's always best to work in a well-lit area to ensure clear visibility and safety throughout the process. This preparation will make the replacement smooth and efficient. Now, let's get started on removing the old tail light. Begin by opening your Jeep's tailgate. This will give you easy access to the two mounting screws. Grab your T15 Torx bit and carefully unscrew both of these fasteners. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It should slide out without much force. With the old assembly removed, it's time to disconnect the bulbs. Carefully twist and pull each bulb socket out from the old tail light housing. Now, take your new tail light assembly and insert those same bulb sockets into their corresponding openings. Once the bulbs are connected, align the new assembly with the mounting holes on your Jeep and push it firmly into place until it sits flush. To finish up, reinstall the two T15 Torx screws you removed earlier, securing the new tail light firmly in place. Don't over-tighten them. Finally, it's crucial to test all the light functions. Check your brake lights, reverse lights, and turn signals to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Jeep JK tail light. Also, for a great way to organize your kitchen, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.